Never use a steam cleaner on travertine floors. Here's why. This beautiful travertine floor almost got ripped out. Why? Because of a steam cleaner. It looked clean, until dull patches, stains and holes started showing up. Travertine is a porous natural stone. When steam gets inside, it can weaken the stone's structure, dull the finish, and break down the protective sealant. Without that seal, the floor becomes vulnerable to stains, grime, and gets dirtier faster after cleaning. Worst part? These problems don't appear straight away. By the time you notice, it's too late to put things right without professional help. Skip the steam. The safest way to clean travertine? Mop with a damp microfiber mop. Use a pH-neutral stone cleaner, never vinegar or bleach, which can corrode the surface. Reseal every 1 to 2 years, especially or more frequently in high-traffic areas. One homeowner in Kingston-upon-Thames almost gave up on their travertine kitchen floor after steam cleaning left it dull, stained and lifeless. But Fabritech stepped in with expert mechanical polishing, grout deep cleaning, and a natural finish sealer. The floor looked brand new again. For help with your travertine floor, call Fabritech at 01372664337 or visit our website at tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk. Sometimes, the smartest move is calling in a trusted local expert who knows stone inside and out.